It's time again for
Snapchat Taste Test
Flavor
Explosion.
Yvonne, I brought you a special treat.
Ooh, what is it?
Not your cookie cutter cookie dough.
Ooh.
We've got a variety of flavors of ready-to-eat cookie dough by Edoughble. First up, Birthday Bash.
Woohoo!
It tastes a lot like a sugar cookie with sprinkles, but yet there's no egg in it.
Yeah, it is very sweet. Very, very sweet. My teeth hurt.
Well, this tastes exactly like chocolate chip cookie dough, and the
does.
chips are really good.
They are. That cookie dough.
This tastes exactly like fudge brownie.
It sure does. It's like a cookies and dream come true.
Cookie dough that's safe to eat is trending these days.
And it's easy to see why. Delicious without the worry of getting sick.